Welcome to English Speak Podcast.
Learn with English Podcast Corner.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to English in Daily Life. I'm Mary, and I'm here with my awesome co-host.
Elon. Hey guys, I'm Elon, and we're so happy you're here. Today, we're talking about one of my favorite daily activities, going shopping.
Yes, shopping is something we all do. Buying food, clothes, or just fun stuff. And today we'll learn how to speak English confidently when shopping.
Exactly. You'll hear real conversations, learn useful words and phrases, and practice speaking naturally.
Oh, and don't forget, we've made a free PDF for you. It has today's vocabulary, sample dialogues, and practice questions. You can find it in the description below.
So make sure to download it after listening. And hey, if you like our lessons, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us keep making fun English lessons for you.
Yes, we love your support. Okay, let's get started with our topic, going shopping. Let's start by talking about the kinds of shopping we do. Elon, what do you usually shop for?
Good question. I usually go grocery shopping once a week. Milk, bread, fruits and vegetables.
Nice. I also love grocery shopping. Sometimes I go to the market and talk to the sellers. It's a good way to practice English.
That's true. Let's teach our listeners some useful shopping words. Ready?
Yes. Okay, here are a few easy ones. Shop, a place where you buy things. Customer, a person who buys something. Cashier, the person at the counter who takes your money. Price, how much something costs. Discount, a lower price or when something is cheaper than usual.
Good job. Let's use them in sentences.
Sure, the customer pays the cashier.
And this shirt has a discount. It's cheaper today.
Perfect. Now let's move to a real life conversation. Excuse me, how much is this t-shirt?
It's $15.
Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting room is over there.
Thanks. It's a little big. Do you have a smaller size?
Yes, here you go. This one is medium.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Great. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
Card, please.
Okay, your total is $15. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Let's talk about what we heard. Did you notice the useful questions?
Yes, the customer said, "How much is this t-shirt?" That's a very common question in shopping.
Right. You can also say, what's the price of this or how much does it cost?
And don't forget, can I try it on? That means you want to see if the clothes fit you.
Good job. Also, the shop assistant said, would you like to pay by cash or card? That's something you'll often hear when checking out.
Yes, and remember, cash means money, like coins or notes, and card means your bank or credit card.
Great. Let's practice some pronunciation together. Repeat after us, listeners.
How much is this?
Can I try it on?
Do you have a smaller size?
I'll take it.
Nice job. You sound great.
Okay, Elon, let's move to another type of shopping, the supermarket.
Yes, when you go to a supermarket, you might need a shopping basket or trolley.
Exactly. A basket is for small shopping, and a trolley is a big cart for more items.
Here are some common supermarket phrases. Where can I find the milk? Do you have fresh bread today? How much are the apples? Can I pay here?
Let's make a short dialogue. Elon,
Excuse me, where can I find the eggs?
The eggs are in aisle 5, next to the bread.
Thank you. And how much are they?
They're $2 a dozen.
I'll take 1 dozen, please.
Perfect. Okay, vocabulary check. What does aisle mean, Elon?
An aisle is a row or walkway between shelves in a store. For example, the cereal is in aisle 3.
Good explanation. And a dozen means 12, like a dozen eggs.
Exactly. You're learning so fast, listeners.
You guys are doing great. Keep practicing with us. And remember, you can read all these examples in our free PDF in the description.
Yes, it's a good way to repeat and remember.
Let's listen to the conversation one more time. And this time, try to say the phrases with us.
Excuse me, where can I find the eggs?
The eggs are in aisle 5, next to the bread.
Thank you. And how much are they?
They're $2 a dozen.
I'll take 1 dozen, please.
Perfect. That's the end of our first half. In the second part, we'll go to a clothing store, learn new words, and talk about shopping online.
Stay tuned. We'll be right back after this short break.
Welcome back, everyone. I hope you are ready for more English fun.
Yes! In the first part, we went grocery shopping and learned many new words like basket, aisle, and discount.
That's right. And now we're moving to another kind of shopping, clothes shopping.
I love this one. Clothes shopping is fun and full of useful English phrases.
Exactly. So let's jump right into it.
Hi there. Do you have this shirt in blue?
Yes, we do. What size do you need?
Medium, please.
Here you go. You can try it on in the fitting room.
Thanks. Oh, it's a little small.
No problem. Would you like a larger size?
Yes, please.
Here's a large one.
Perfect. I'll take it. How much is it?
It's $20.
Great. I'll pay by card.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Okay, let's talk about some important words from that conversation.
Yes. First, we heard the word size. That means how big or small the clothes are, like small, medium, or large.
Exactly. And the fitting room is the place where you try on clothes before buying them.
Good. You can say, can I try this on? That means you want to see if it fits.
Another word we used was larger. It means bigger.
Yes, you can also say smaller if the clothes are too big.
So, listeners, let's repeat some key phrases together. Ready?
Do you have this in blue?
Can I try it on?
It's a little small.
I'll take it.
Nice job, everyone.
Now let's move to online shopping, something we all do a lot these days.
Oh, yes. Online shopping is convenient. You can buy things from home.
That's true. You just visit a website or an app, add items to your cart, and pay online.
Right. And here are some useful words. Add to cart, choose a product you want to buy, check out, the final step to pay for your order, delivery, when the item is sent to your house, return, send something back if you don't like it.
Let's use those words in a short conversation. Hey, Lon, what are you doing?
I'm online shopping. I'm looking at new shoes.
Oh, nice. Did you find something you like?
Yes, these sneakers look great. I'll add them to my cart.
Cool. Are you ready to check out?
Almost. I just need to choose the delivery option.
Do they have free delivery?
Yes, they do. That's why I love this site.
Lucky you. But if they don't fit, will you return them?
Maybe. The website says I can return them within 7 days.
Perfect. Shopping online can be so easy when you know the words.
Let's go over the new words one more time, friends.
Sure. I'll say the word and you try to repeat it after me. Add to cart.
Check out.
Delivery.
Return.
Good job. You're doing amazing.
Okay, now let's do a mini listening exercise.
We'll read the short conversation again slowly, and you can speak along with us. Hey, Elon, what are you doing?
I'm online shopping. I'm looking at new shoes.
Did you find something you like?
Yes, these sneakers look great. I'll add them to my cart.
Are you ready to check out?
Almost. I just need to choose the delivery option.
Do they have free delivery?
Yes, they do. That's why I love this site.
Lucky you. But if they don't fit, will you return them?
Maybe. The website says I can return them within 7 days.
Perfect. Let's go over the new words one more time, friends.
Great job, everyone.
Yes. Elon, what do you like better? Shopping in a store or shopping online?
I think online shopping is easier. No crowds, no waiting in line.
That's true, but I love going to real shops. I can see and touch the clothes before I buy them.
That's a good point. Maybe our listeners can tell us what they prefer.
Yes, let's make that our question of the day. Okay, friends, we learned a lot today. Let's quickly review.
We talked about shopping in stores and online. We practiced words like cashier, discount, fitting room, add to cart, and checkout.
You also learned how to ask for prices, sizes, and how to pay.
You did great today. Remember, you can download today's free PDF from the description. It has all the key phrases, examples, and vocabulary from this episode.
Yes, and you can use it to practice speaking English with your friends or classmates.
And before we go, here is our community question for you. Do you like shopping online or in a real store, and why?
Tell us your answer in the comments. We love hearing from you.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed today's lesson.
We'll see you again next time for another fun English conversation.
Until then, keep practicing and speak English with confidence. Bye, everyone.